てめえらの目にどう映ってる？どうだっていいけどな。ああ、どうだろうが明日も試合があんなら戦うだけだ。チャンスってのは諦めたやつには絶対つかめない。最後おじい捕まれたんじゃねえか。てめえが一番分かってんだろ。
Look at our producer. Look at myself. Beautiful. Me and my son doing an amazing job, and you look absolutely luxurious as you're doing it. Beautiful as ever, me and my son. But if you're going to insist on wearing that mask, maybe, I don't know, it's plain white right now, maybe add some colours to it. Little logo, some sparkles, some glitter. I don't know, jazz it up a little bit. But you're doing okay so far. Welcome back to another episode of the Today Show with your host Switchblade, Jay White, and the Blacksmith Gator. It hurts to talk right now. It's like all the muscles in my face are like cramped up, seized up, bruised, all the same. That guy, as weird as he is, oh boy, he's got some sort of grip in that hand. I don't know what he does with that hand to get that kind of grip strength. That's some dedicated time, some dedicated hours, maybe a lot of hours in isolation, just strengthening and working that hand. And tonight, it was on my face. But nevertheless, I am on a roll. The dominator King Switch just dominated and taught a lesson to King Switch's bitch. You get a little bit of respect from me for tonight. Great old card. But like I said yesterday, the lesson you have to learn. Maybe you can take out one of those longs after tonight, but no, you know what? You're still never gonna get close to being able to get in the ring with me and have me respect you, let alone the fans, when they watch you get dismantled by the greatest fucking wrestler alive. The greatest wrestler alive.